Yo, it's SQL, let me break it down. Data in tables, yeah, we run this town. Rows and columns, structure tight. Query that data, get it right. Relational DBs, that's the base. Organized info, no data waste. SQL's the key, unlock the flow. And let it all, watch it go. Join the tables, filter the set. Where clause hits, no need to sweat. Index is speeded, keep it tight. Optimize queries, do it right. Pre-table, set the frame. Define the schema, play the game. And insert records one by one. Update values when you're done. Inner join, outer join, and left or right. Link the data, keep it tight. Group by having, filter it more. Aggregate functions, let them score. Subqueries deep, nesting strong. CTE clean, can't go wrong. Store procedures, automate fast. Transactions save, make it last. SQL's the language, power untold. Data's the gold, now take control. Write your queries, play the game. Master SQL, earn your name.